Happy New Year! It's the first day of the year, and you know what that means? My January Beginner Challenge starts right now. This month, the challenge is to awaken dormant muscles that you haven't used in a very long time. If your resolution this year is to start your fitness journey as of January 1st, it's very tempting just to jump into it and go all out, which can lead to you being overwhelmed in just a few weeks, and worst case scenario, you getting injured. Let's prevent that. In this challenge, we're gonna start gently with the basic exercises that are also very effective. We're going back to the basics. We're doing lower body, upper body, core, cardio, and mobility. We're working your entire body, head to toe, and all you need is a chair. This is the way to start. This is the beginning of your fitness journey in 2023. And if this is not your first time working out, if you've been doing my challenges every month, this challenge is still for you. These little exercises will keep your joints and muscles healthy for activities of daily living, everyday life. I still do a lot of them, especially the mobility routines. They're beneficial for everyone. And the best part, they're only 10 to 15 minutes long, so you can combine them with other routines that you might want to do. You're gonna have a lot of fun doing it. And as a bonus in 2023, my beginner nutrition guide is finally available. This is your stepping stone into understanding nutrition. Just like my exercises, this guide is simply a guide to help you understand nutrition in a gentle way. It is not a diet plan. The guide was written by Julia Ballot. She's a certified nutritionist from Precision Nutrition, and she was kind enough to share some of her most amazing healthy recipes in the guide. The guide is available for download for members of justinagustin.com and the Justin Agustin Fitness app. And I'm so excited to announce that we'll be releasing a beginner bodybuilding course by the one and only Kathleen. She's gonna show us how to use light weights to build strength and muscle from home. This will be coming soon in early January. Start your journey this new year by going to justinagustin.com and signing up to be a member to gain access to everything that I just mentioned. And don't forget, the Justin Agustin Fitness app is also available on your Roku, Apple, Android, and Fire Stick TV. If you're a member already, just use the same username and password to log in. Wishing you a happy new year and all the best in 2023. You got this.